Okay, we are all set. Okay, so I guess we are all set. Hello, everyone. So, hope you guys are doing well. And today is 20th of March 2026. And today, NIFT released their first round entrance exam results, where you will get to know that you are selected for situation test or not. So let's talk about both the cases, if you are shortlisted, or in case if you are not shortlisted, then what you have to do. And yes, first of all, how you will check your result. So you have to simply visit this website and log in your details, and you can check your result. Okay, and in case you find difficulties, you can DM us or WhatsApp us on the given details. Our team will guide you as soon as possible. So let's come back to our topic. Suppose your results saying you are shortlisted for situation test. So that is really appreciated that you perform well in your first round of entrance exam. But don't get like overconfident. Don't get over, that you crack first round, so you can easily crack the, you crack first round, so you can easily handle situation test and you can get good rank. No, what if you just cross the cutoff of cat? To think for the worst scenario, that you just cut cleared the cutoff of cat and gat. Suppose the cat gat cutoff is 40 and your marks for cat and gat is 41. Still you are shortlisted, but you have to work really hard in situation test to get good rank, so you can choose your desirable course, your desirable campus for NIFT. So don't be overexcited, don't be overconfident. Even if you are shortlisted for situation test, just appreciate yourself little and start preparing for situation test immediately, because this time NIFT will not do so much delay. I think the situation test will be most probably happening in April, like mid of April or last week of April. But right now there is no, official notice NIFT released. Last year results are also late, so situation test happened late. But this year results are on time, so situation test will be most probably on time. So start preparing. You hardly have 20 to 25 days. You can join our crash course if you want. The details you can get on the given number. So yes. So now let's talk about those who didn't qualify in first round. So, for those who didn't qualify for the first round, don't think that you are not worth it for design, because many people think that they couldn't qualify NIP, so they should drop idea of design education. I should say don't do that. Yes, sometimes the situation is not same for everyone. Maybe you perform well, but the luck is not with you, the destiny wants something else from you. So I will recommend you highly, especially for those, again I'm repeating, if you didn't shortlisted for situation test, please stop overthinking that you are not worth it. You are, and you have to understand your worth. You didn't qualify NIFT, so you should stop pursuing design. You should stop focusing for design as you should not choose design as your career. Don't do that. If you are passionate about design, if your dream is to be a designer, trust me, you have to stick with it. Okay, and what you can do, you start apply for private design universities. You can find some universities, some private university are doing really good. Their fees is affordable, their campus is beautiful, their faculty is really good, and they also provide you scholarships as well. So what you do, first, stop overthinking, start doing your own research, and don't listen to any of your friends. Suppose your friend is shortlisted for NIFT and you didn't, so don't stop comparing with your friends that why she or he selected, I didn't. Just leave it, because you can't do anything right now, right? So don't take so much mental pressure, or don't take too much stress. Now let's work for plan B. So as I mentioned, mentioned, there are private university, or you can opt for if you don't want to take a drop. And if you want to take a drop and you think you can make it, and you want to try again, do it. I will make a separate video that what should you do for choosing a best private university, or taking a drop, or doing a partial drop. So I will make a detailed video for that. So this video is just a update that NIFT results are out, and you should not take too much stress if you are not shortlisted. Those who shortlisted, don't think that you cracked, you done with your test and you don't have to worry about situation test and rank. More than 18,000 people shortlisted for situation test. Yes, so still the competition is on. You still have to make your place on top 100 to get best NIFT campuses. You still have to work, and next 20 days you have to work, like you have to prepare like hell, like to give your situation test preparation at least 4 to 5 hours to get that rank, because situation test is really a game changer. I always mention this on my videos. If you are taking situation test lightly, that is a really big mistake, because situation test is really a big game changer. It can increase, like it can help you to get a great rank, or it can also help you to get a lowest, like a rank like 4,000, 5,000 if you doesn't perform well. So yeah, you can mention that you are selected or not. And if you need any help, especially those who are not selected for situation test and now confused what you have to do, you can WhatsApp us or DM us on our Instagram, and we will make a next video you have to do if you are not selected for situation test, and how you can find the best universities, and how you can take a partial drop, and if you are taking a drop, what you have to do. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Share this video with your NIFT aspirant friends and family, and keep going. Best of luck. See you soon.